Okay, hello, good morning. What a sunny day. And what have we got here?
Elena's first swing.
Oh, thanks to Nina. What a lovely...
There's a cushion behind her head.
Oh, we've got a little green cushion. That's fun, isn't it?
Gotcha. Gotcha. I gotcha. 1, 2, 3.
And that's our little boat. The petit bateau.
She comes up.
Does she?
Must be the sun hitting.
Oops. Oh, nearly fell, nearly fell.
Madeline. Go. Madeline. Go. Gotcha. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's good, isn't it, Mum?
Yeah. Great. Love it. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Gotcha.
Hello. That's so much fun. Whee! Don't go too fast. Wow, that's so nice.
Lovely. I'll tighten those up later.
Yeah,
Okay.
safety
Let's
first.
do it. Let's go.
Okay, well, we're getting ready to exchange that gate. Huh? We have some more after we come back, okay, sweetie pie? Show everyone your nose piercing. Huh? On this side. Look at that nose! Oh my goodness, what a stack. Okay, bye everybody.